Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll explain what is project group in Zoho project. See here, uh, last year I uploaded a video on Zoho projects complete tutorial for beginners. I just received a comment like they're asking just to explain about the project group. First of all, thanks for asking about this. So see here, I just log into the Zoho projects here. So this is the home page, right? And I'll go to project section. Say for example, there is one project currently in my account. Say I am assuming myself as the team leader in an organization where I am assigning tasks to my team members, and I am also managing some of the projects in my company. Okay. So first of all, let me just create a new project by clicking on add here. So active projects, right? So I'm clicking on new project. So say for example, I received a banking application to develop a software application. Say for example, like Android app. So banking Android app to be developed. Okay. So owner is myself. Template, so I won't choose any template, and the start date is this one, and the end date is maybe after like 4 months. Okay. And this is what the user has requested me to explain about this project groups in Zoho projects. See, there is I symbol, information symbol here. First of all, just let's read this. Organize your project into groups, set or create a group to associate this project. So basically this option is for the organizing purpose. So better arrangement of projects. Say for example, right now I only have one single project, car racing mobile game project. Say for example, on this Zoho account, if you are a team leader, there are 100 projects or there are 200 projects. In that projects, maybe 10 are software projects, 10 are some services projects, maybe maintenance and services projects, and 10 are some real estate projects. Okay. So now you can create 3 groups: software one group, and real estate one group, and service and maintenance one group. So the projects which are all under software can be kept under, see here, say for example, there is already one group called software. So this banking Android application falls under software, so I am keeping it as software. Or else if it is a real estate, say for example, this is a real estate something, real estate venture real estate layout something XYZ some project, and I can add a new group called real estate projects. Okay, I am just creating a new group. So under real estate projects, this current project will be under this group. This project will be created. So just for the tutorial purpose, I am adding this. Say for example, after a month, my company received a new deal from a new client who is a real estate company, asking my company for the services, and my company asked me to create a new project, new Zoho project. So what I'll do, I'll go to projects and I'll create a new project, and I'll take the details from the client. Say for example, the client name is 123 real estate company. Okay, company, just for the tutorial purpose. Okay, start date and end date. Okay, just for the dummy purpose. Now there are 2 groups here. I will be grouping this into real estate projects, and I'll just create this project. Okay, say for example, on a Monday, my company CEO or chief technical officer asked me to just show me the status of this 123 real estate company. Then I'll be quickly going to this project groups here. Under projects, project group, under real estate, I'll have this 123 estate company. Yeah, see here, under real estate projects there are two projects. Just for the arrangement purpose you can use this groups here. So if at all if you want to access, you can just go to the active projects here and you can just place the cursor over the project name and click on access project, and here you will find all the tasks and everything. At any point of time you can delete a project group. Here simply you can just click on this trash icon to delete a group. So in this way, for the main purpose is for organizing. Okay, if there are number of projects, then for the better organizing you can use that project groups. So if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments, and once again thanks for asking that. Have a nice day.